In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart elements from Google Sheets the easy way. Whether you're tidying up a complex spreadsheet or prepping a chart for presentation, removing unnecessary chart elements can truly streamline your data, making it more clear and effective. Let's dive right in and break down this process into simple, manageable steps. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Google Sheet. If you have the document handy, great. If not, just open your browser, head over to Google Sheets, and select the document you're working with or create a new one if necessary. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything we're about to do. Next, you'll need to select a cell by clicking on it. This might seem straightforward, but it's important because clicking on a specific cell helps Google Sheets know which data point you want to work with. Make sure this cell is part of the data range you've used to create your chart. If you're unsure, you can always double-check by reviewing the chart's data range settings. Now let's take a moment to update your data if needed. Before proceeding to any chart editing, it's a good idea to verify that all your data is accurate and up to date. You can easily change data in specific cells by double-clicking on them, typing the new information, and hitting Enter. Updating your data ensures that the chart will accurately reflect the information you want to present. Once your data is up to date, you can proceed to delete chart elements as needed. This is typically where the magic happens. Click on the chart to select it. You should see an Edit Chart option or a three-dot menu in one of the corners of your chart. Click on it. Here, you'll find various options to customize and modify your chart. To delete specific chart elements, navigate to the chart editor on the right side of your screen. Within this menu, you'll see options like Chart Type, Customize, and Series. Typically, you'll find a tab labeled Customize. Clicking this will allow you to modify various elements such as the title, legend, and axes. For instance, if you're looking to delete the legend, just uncheck or remove that component. The changes will happen in real time, so you can immediately see how the chart adapts to your selections. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to delete chart elements in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you can keep your charts clean and data-focused, ensuring they communicate your insights effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy chart editing.